Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we're bringing to you a wonderful Asian salad. Yeah, you heard me, Asian salad. That's what we have. Our mandarin orange is there. And we have the star here. Yes, the lettuce is the star because that's really your key component. But who doesn't love ramen? Like, everyone's into ramen. So we're going to show you how to make ramen healthy without having all that sodium that usually comes inside the packet. So what we did, actually Ian cooked the ramen for us. He cooked it in some chicken broth. I love chicken broth, as most of you know. However, if you don't have chicken broth or vegetable broth, you could just use water with some salt and pepper and some butter. And butter, not margarine. Margarine's GMO. So what I did here, when Ian cooked the ramen, I turned around and I steamed some carrots that came with peas. It was a mix. And I steamed also some corn that came separately. And so this is what we have here. We have some Southwest corn, and we mixed it all together once Ian had finished cooking the ramen. So this is a much healthier version for you than the packet with all of that cooking. And we have our shrimp that was cooked in our sweet chili sauce, and it was seasoned with our seafood seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning to your liking. This is 3 heads, actually. I don't know if you guys notice going to the supermarket how you're paying a lot more, getting a lot less. Well, this is a version here. This is 3 heads of romaine lettuce. And I remember maybe even up to a year ago, you got a lot more volume from your lettuce than you're getting that, and a lot more greenery, and it's less greenery appearing in the romaine lettuce of late. So we have our mandarin orange, like I said, and this is our salmon that we had already cooked, and we just seasoned it with some salmon seasoning, whichever seasoning is to your preference so that you like. You may have something that you particularly like. You could use that, and we marinated it for 2 days actually in a sweet chili marinade, which is the same one that we use for the shrimp. And this is our garnish, which is our wonton strips. And we have everything bagel. I love to put this. I just think, why just put sesame when you could put all the seasonings from everything bagel, and just gives your salad a different appearance. So this is some everything bagel seasoning here. And this is our homemade dressing. And this dressing has what, Ian?
Has mayonnaise.
So we have mayonnaise, which has, it was about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Now the brown sugar is used so we could kind of tone down the acid, as he tells you, some of the other ingredients we have. And we really put like a pinch of brown sugar. So I said it was probably about 1/4 of a teaspoon.
White wine.
White wine, so we had 2 tablespoons of white wine.
We have salt, pepper.
Salt and pepper to taste.
And
the salt that we use is Himalayan because it has a lot less sodium in it.
The garlic.
Garlic, we had 3 garlic cloves.
And a little tinge of lemon to syrup.
So we had a little bit, I would say it was probably a 1/4 of a lemon that we took and we squeezed it. And we also blended the, magic bullet, blend some of the mandarin to get some of the juice from that.
I forgot. Okay,
and then we also added whole mandarins as well in there. So this is how we came up with our dressing. So now we already have, I'm going to show you how to assemble. Once you have everything all cooked up, all you have to do now, you have your greens on your plate, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to go through the vitamin content. I'm going to show you how to assemble your salad. So let's get into your vitamin contents of all this delicious nutrition that's here. So we're going to start off with romaine. Romaine has calcium, vitamin K, and vitamin A. It's a great source of folate. Folate is good for your red blood cell formation. Folate is also known as folic acid. And folic acid reduces the risk of birth defects of the brain and spine in babies. Now we have our salmon, which has your B6, B12, and vitamin D, and is your omega-3 fatty acid. And we have our wonderful shrimps. Your shrimp has your B12, vitamin D, and selenium. And we have our peas that's in your ramen. And peas are vitamin A, E, zinc, and C. And it contains a heart-friendly mineral, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. And you have carrots that are also in there. And carrots has biotin, which is really great for the shine of your hair and the growth of your hair. And potassium and vitamin A, which is beta carotene, which is excellent for your eyes. And it also has corn, which is vitamin B, folate, and vitamin C. And of course, we can't forget our mandarin orange. And our mandarin orange has vitamin C and fiber. And it helps maintain healthy skin for your immune system. And the noodles itself have iron and magnesium. Now, we're gonna assemble our salad. I'm going to show you how to assemble your salad. So we have our romaine first. Oh boy, Ian, I'm pulling in Ian.
Mm-hmm. I see that, Mom.
Haha. I'm gonna do Ian's plate in full before I do mine.
Okay.
So, we have gloves on, as we talked about.
Yes.
Ian, what do we have gloves?
For the RTE, which is ready to eat. And if you're only with your babe, you can do what you like, or by yourself.
That's right.
But if you have company, you want to have gloves on, so you teach everybody to have safe eating habits and not get anything all over.
And so we don't cross-contaminate.
Contamination, yeah, there it is, the cross-contamination.
And so the goal here is to put your ramen right in the middle. Okay. This is one of Ian's favorite foods, believe it or not, ramen.
Yes, ramen noodles.
Ramen Ian had a field day, you know, when he was a kid, eating ramen every day.
Yes, for a long period of time there. But I'll tell you, you can, like you're doing now, you can do so many things.
I mean, you can make it healthy. You can still have what you like, but you know, with caution, and definitely try to avoid the bad salt. Look at that. Green, orange, yellow, salmon, peachy type of color, all busting through the seam.
Yes.
And we're going to put our wonton. Get your little crunchies on. Who doesn't love a little crunch? I know I do.
Yes, you do.
No bacon on this one.
Yes.
And anyone who knows me knows I love bacon.
Yes, you do.
No bacon here. And a little everything bagel
Yes.
seasoning. This is not just made for your bagels. This is made for anything that you want to put it on. And then you can, here's your salad. You can put your dressing. Well, look at this beautiful salad, the way it looks, all the bursts of colors here. The orange, you know, with the green that you can see, the light green, and the salmon color or peachy, whatever you want to call it. But let me tell you something. The reason that we have the orange here is because it's so refreshing. I don't know if you guys, when you go to a Chinese restaurant, they sometimes will give you like orange slices because it aids in digestion after you eat, you know, all the, you know, some of the Szechuan, you know, different Cantonese, you know, Chinese food, and it tends to be a little spicy, and sometimes people may have an upset stomach, so they give you, from the orange family, that's what mandarin comes from, and they give you orange to help with that digestive system.
pull your gloves off. Ready?
Okay. Yes, because now we're going to get ready to eat. We can pull them off.
Right.
So,
Mama?
I can't wait to try this, Ian.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. I gotta put my dressing on.
Tastes delicious.
Okay, it's not working to get everything here, so okay, I got it. Oh my gosh.
I have to say, your dressing,
This is
not
phenomenal.
more.
This is super simple to make. Definitely try it at home. You have another way for ramen now,
Yeah.
besides the packet. Don't do that. You can try another fish if you like another fish, if that's all you have at home. Creativity, guys. It's all about creativity. And please don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. And what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button
Mama,
so you can see a video every time we make it weekly.
be part of the family and loving every bite.
And everybody for sure.
And loving every bite.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
We love you.
See you once again. Thank you very much.